Hello, how you doing? It's Phil Thatch, and today I'm going to look at a product from Viltrox. It's their, what is it called? BT EL15 battery charger. This particular version is for Nikon EL15 batteries, and I've tested a battery charging case similar to this from a different company, but that was for Sony, and that company doesn't make one for Nikon. So it's really exciting that Viltrox is making one for your Nikon cameras. So here's what it looks like. Here's the size of it. It's about the same size. It'll take up about the same amount of space in your camera bag as a 50mm 1.8S lens. So not much space, and it's not very heavy either. I mean, it may be about the same weight, maybe even less actually. And I have it with one battery in it right now. So what this thing does is you plug it into a USB-C charger and charge it up. And inside it has slots for two EN-EL15 batteries. And you put those in there when you're out in the field, and it'll charge your batteries even when it's not connected to a power source. It's kind of like the charger for some Apple AirPods. Also, it functions as a power bank. So like say your cell phone battery gets low, you can plug in a USB-C cable and charge your phone with this device. It's rated at 5,500 milliamp hours, so you should be able to charge two EN-EL15 batteries all the way from completely flat to fully charged on a single charge of the case. What I usually do is I take this and two batteries with me out in the field. I keep one battery in here and I have the other one in my camera. And if the one in the camera gets down to about 25%, I just switch them. And the battery I started with will charge up while I'm using the second battery. And that's worked fine with me. I've taken it out 2 or 3 times now for photo shoots and have used it, and it's been great. If you plug it into a PD compatible fast charging system, you can see that the single digit is flashing, indicating that it's charging, and also there's a little lightning bolt beside the single digit indicating that it is fast charging. But if you don't have a PD compatible charger and just have a regular USB-C charger, it will still charge. It just doesn't rapid charge. You can see now the single digit is flashing, but there is no lightning bolt. So the lightning bolt indicates fast charging and the single digit flashing indicates just charging. And honestly, when I charge this up, I don't use a rapid charger. I charge it overnight, and if you plug it in to even a slow charger, you can put 2 batteries in here that are flat, and this thing can be flat, and overnight it'll charge all 3. In fact, it's rated to charge both batteries and the case itself with a slow charger in 4 hours and 30 minutes, and it'll do all 3 with a fast charger in 3 hours, according to the manual. But even if it took longer than 4 hours and 30 minutes, it'd be fine with me because I charge it overnight the night before. If you have one battery in here and you're charging it up when it's not plugged in, it'll charge one battery in about 2 hours. It has a nice quality feel to it. It feels good. The lid, when it closes, it has a magnet, so it doesn't click into place, but it's held there by a magnet, and it's not going anywhere. I'm shaking that pretty hard with a battery in it, and it's not popping open. So the price on this is $69.99, which seems like a bargain to me. It's a really cool product, and I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. And if you want to see some more stuff like this, subscribe and hit the bell. Bye-bye.